Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are trying a simple sweet recipe with milk powder and jaggery. Let's see how to make it. Into a pan, here I am adding some jaggery powder with some water. Mix it and allow the jaggery to melt completely and bring it to boil. After it comes to a nice boil, check for one string consistency and then add in the milk powder. Nicely mix it with the jaggery liquid. And please don't misunderstand that this sweet is a sugarless one, because the milk powder available in our market is sugar added. So if you can find a milk powder which has no sugar, then this is definitely going to be a sugarless sweet. Now once the mixture gets thick, add in some ghee into it and mix it. And when this liquid starts to separate from the pan, turn off the flame and add it into a bowl which is lined with parchment paper. And let it sit on room temperature for 30 to 40 minutes. And once it turns slightly hard, you can take it out and cut it into different size pieces. Here I am making small pedas. So make small balls, press it down using your thumb to make a design. Now add some sliced nuts on top and your jaggery milk powder peda sweets are ready. This is definitely an easy sweet recipe for any festivals. So definitely try it out at your home and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.